Hello guys. Yeah. um don't know where to begin. Basically, I'm going to be creating a new channel on YouTube. It's going to be called The Little Siamese Cat. Yeah, there we go. It's Little Siamese Cat. So yeah, I've even just started to try and make it, but it's taking like a long time to log out of my account. But look, The Little Siamese Cat 2. Yeah, I want to be like Inquisitor Master or Sketch or Dennis Daly. Here we have some famous YouTubers that I wanted to show you. Oh my god, that kitty's so beautiful. Look at that kitty. Hey guys, it's the Little Siamese Cat, and today in the Little Siamese Cat, we're going to be explaining something. This is the closest I got to a Siamese cat. Let's get straight into the video. Say it. Seishi, I played with her on my Donuts account. Oh, Seishi, I played with her on my Donuts account. Retro Arrow Jojo. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's got a freaking gun. Oh gosh. That is spooky. I wanna eat you now. Like you can eat. Don't faint. Say hi to me too. Say hi to you too. So do we. Humans are tasty. Okay, we'll have a life. We are not humans, but we have a life. Or than just. I don't know. Someone say hi. Someone say hi. They're not having anything. I'm just gonna leave and play a different game because they don't. Look at that little tiny kitty. Oh gosh. It's okay, kitty. Loyal, kind, elegant, charming, responsible.
So you can put the roof on the nurse RV.
Look at them two little wee kitties hugging. Oh,
Yeah, mate, that's what I
that
was.
is
There
so
was a
cute.
place I was able to do on the left as well for it.
Oh gosh.
No, mate, it doesn't matter
And
as long as there
stuffed
is one.
kitties.
I don't see
Oh,
it.
this
Oh, well,
kitty.
for me, mate.
Well, that's what my cat does all the time. Sit in between these bits. And then she'll just like try and jump out a window.
Well,
Don't.
that's what I was going to do. I was going to put one both sides.
That
So
is
I was
legit
actually just going to
placed
take
in a
the roof
wooden
to it.
flat, and this is the only flat in Wittering. Oh my gosh. We could change things back if we believed, if we dreamed. Oh, little bitty kitty. Oh, little socks. Let's just play another game, because no one was saying nothing. Oh god, I'm farting today.
Yeah, you're doing the whole.
The little Siamese cat. I'm just gonna say something. Don't tell anyone. Tired. Oh wait. We're in forest territory, youngsters. It's all good, Lord, Lord. My arms are cold. Wonder why. That's better. I'm dancing out to your heartbeat. Get ready up. I just wanna be part of your symphony. Would you hold me tight and not let go? I am cold. It's loaded. Everyone is freaking loaded. No, what's fun? I am going to be lost. Okay, their lungs. Oh, muzzle. They don't really have tail streaks. But, oh, they don't. Nope. Those for yes, they do. No, no. Yes, some do. Nope. Yeah, it's gonna be kitty pet. Mostly gonna be white. There is I'm gonna be brown and white. Very time of Siamese kitty. Yep. I want that boy. I want that boy. Get ready, oh, get ready, oh. See, the real reason why I'm not logging in today, it wasn't why I'm even starting this up, is because I'm legit getting rid of my YouTube channel. Because I want to restart civilization, you know? I want to restart civilization. I'm gonna make a new YouTube channel. It's gonna be called The Little Siamese Cat, and this will always be my little Siamese cat, you know, character now. If you don't like it, I'm so sorry. If you love my other account and you want it bad. I'm sorry, but I like this account. Run, boy, run, boy, run. Oh my gosh. Just mechanics going to let them car. And always have lag. There we go. Oh, tail. Oh gosh. Run, boy, run. You need to run what I said, run. Run from what, little boy? Run from all the resistance in the world, little Einsteins. Little Einsteins. We're going on it. In our favorite rocket ship, jumping through the sky, little Einsteins. I'm actually starting to really like school now. Hate having days off. It's so sad for you too. Say, oh my god. Oh my gosh. Say hi. Oh, I'm just gonna put this. Say hi to you too. There we go. First, we need at least one person to sit in the lobby. Say hi to you. Say hi to you too. Hi, perfect. I want this little kitty gets shot up. Silver Gatomon 18. Oh my gosh, and so do you. Yeah. Ivory 2803, you shout out to you two get shout outs now. You get shout outs now. I have a YouTube channel too. Epic. 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 Our star is alive. Dun dun dun. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love you more. God, I love you more. My channel is Abby Dragon Plays, by the way. You. Subscribe. Okay. Abby Dragon Plays. Where's my YouTube thing? Oh gosh, I haven't got a YouTube thing. Oh god. Abby Dragon Plays. Abby Dragon Plays. Abby Dragon. Oh god. Loud Abby Dragon Plays. Abby Dragon Plays. Abby Dragon Plays. Abby Dragon Plays. Everyone go down and subscribe to Abby Dragon Plays. Lagging, everything's lagging. Run, boy, run. Where's my little donkey? My little donkey. Abby trying to